Gauge 14 Aruban florins. Materials 99. 99% oxygen-free copper conductors. Jacket high temperature, nylon-braided PVC jacket. Insulation polyethylene dielectric. Connectors 24K gold-plated beryllium copper. Pair of speaker wires, enough for 2 speakers. True to their name, flexible, budget-friendly Elac sensible speaker cables offer high value, high performance quotient and deliver full bandwidth and pure signal transmission. True to their name, Elac sensible speaker cables are a no-brainer for listeners seeking a high value, high performance quotient. Designed to deliver full bandwidth, excellent conductivity, and coloration-free naturalism, sensible cables are comprised of 4 nines, 99.99%, oxygen-free copper and a durable braided jacket that withstands repeat handling. Able to both bend and lie flat, Sensible also features a polyethylene dielectric to provide both superior insulation and low dielectric loss to ensure clean signal transmission. Brass connectors fitted with 24K gold-plated beryllium copper contacts for maximum reliability and threaded anodized barrels complete a budget-friendly speaker cable that's at once practical, prudent, and pure. Top reviews from the United States. The best value and sound quality for the money. Audiophile: is you spending more money for speaker cables, you wasting your money. Elac: sensible speaker cables are best of the best. You can spend a lot more money, but you cannot find a better speaker cable.